Welcome MSc2 physics students. Today we are going to study the one of the properties from first module, that is optical properties of material. Optical property is the one of the important physical property of the materials. Optical properties of engineering materials are useful in domestic applications, medicinal application, astronomical application, etc. Optical property of a material is defined as its interaction with electromagnetic radiation in the visible region. Visible region ranges from 0.39 micrometer to 0.77 micrometer wavelengths. Light can consider as a wave form and as a particle called photons. The energy of light radiation E is equal to h nu. Interaction of photons with electronic or crystal structure of material leads to number of phenomena like absorption, reflection, third one is transmission, and last is refraction. So, total intensity of incident light striking on the surface of material is equal to the sum of absorbed, reflected, and transmitted intensities. Let's see what are the optical materials. Materials are classified into three categories on the basis of their interaction with visible light. First is transparent materials, the materials which can transmit light with little absorption and reflection. Second is translucent materials. These are the materials through which light transmitted diffusely. Third one is opaque materials. These materials does not passes light through it. They absorb all energy from the light photons. Next, optical properties of metals. Metals consist partially filled, highly energetic conduction band. When photons are incident on metals, the energy is used to excite electrons into unoccupied states. Thus, metals are opaque to visible light. However, metal shows transparent nature for high frequency X-rays and gamma rays. Metals also shows absorption of light when metallic films are thinner than 0.1 micrometer. Next optical property of metals is reflectivity. Metal shows reflectivity about 0.95 of the incident light. Let us see optical properties for non-metals. First property is refraction. When light photons are incident on non-metal surface, it is transmitted through a material and causes polarization of electrons, and in turn the speed of light is reduced and the beam of light changes its direction. Next property is reflection. Reflection expressed in terms of reflectivity. Reflectivity is defined as a fraction of light reflected at an interface. Materials with high index of refraction have higher reflectivity. In metals, reflectivity is typically greater than that of nonmetals. Next property is absorption. When a light beam is impinged on a metal surface, portion of incident beam is not reflected by the material is either absorbed or transmitted through material. It is given by Burger's law. The fraction of beam that is absorbed is related to thickness of material and the manner in which photons interact with material structure. It is given by I is equal to I0 exponential minus alpha x, where x is the thickness of material and alpha is the coefficient of absorption. The last optical property of nonmetals is transmission. Fraction of light beam that is not reflected or absorbed is transmitted through the material. Applications of these optical properties observed in phenomena like diffraction and dispersion of light. So let us see what is dispersion of light. The splitting of white light into its 7 constituent colors on passing through a transparent medium is called as dispersion of light. In nature, we observe the phenomenon like rainbow after rain. Next application of optical properties of materials is the color. Color can arise from various mechanisms as given below. First is absorption or emission, reflection or transmission, scattering, dispersion, and last is interference. All these phenomena are responsible for color of material. Atomic electronic transition can give rise to color. For example, yellow color of sodium in flame test. Also, due to diffraction phenomena, scattering is observed. The example of scattering in nature is the sky is blue. As we see earlier, light interacts with material in many ways, depending on material, its crystal structure, and the characteristic of incident light. There are many optical phenomena are observed. For example, luminescence, laser, thermal emission, photoconductivity, and optical fibers. All these find quite many application in technology for everyday life.